Well, since everybody likes one-take videos, let's do a one-take unboxing. So I came home from vacation. Nick over at NBT said I got a package waiting for me. So let's see what's in it. Got a nice hat. Got me some gloves. I've gone through a couple sets of these. I love these gloves. I used to wear Icon leather ones. These were great in the summertime, and the touch screen capabilities with them, one of the best ones I've ever had. Let's see here. What do I got here? We got women's. What did he get my wife? Ooh. Oh, that's nice. So this should be yep. You can place your pads in here. So nice armored women's jacket, bomber jacket. These, I believe, are CE rated jeans for my wife. She is a size 8. Got our NBT t-shirt. We got our armored hoodie. So this is essentially just like his other armored hoodie. This one actually weighs a good bit less. I think he said like a couple pounds less than my other one. Love that hoodie. It is a little bulky in the summertime. It's perfect in the wintertime. This will actually be perfect in the summertime. Second hat. We got another hoodie for my wife. So I'm a large, so she'll be a medium in this women's hoodie. Shirt for my wife. And these are black pants for me. So I already have a pair of blue jeans, and now I got a pair of black ones. So these are also feel a little bit lighter than my blue jeans. So it seems like everything just got a little bit lighter for more summer wearing. And a couple stickers. So love their stuff, been wearing them for a couple years now. Nick's a great guy. And if you notice, he is also an FTR guy. So he's actually one that came up with my nickname, the FTR Guru, which is a discount code that you can use for some money off. Thanks.